Hi, this is Judith. Today I would like to show you how to change the motor brushes on your Foredom Flexshaft. Uh, First of all, we have to make sure the machine is unplugged, is not powered. Um, the the Flexshaft has two motor brushes, one on each side here. So they look like this. So it's a new pair, and I'm going to check if I need to replace them or not. Usually we have to replace them when the machine starts to make noise. So the motor brushes transfer the electricity from the plug to the inside of the motor that spins the commutator. What we do, we have to remove the motor brush cap. We have a screwdriver and simply I screw it off and it will pop up when they are new. Usually the size of this carbon brush is 3/4 of an inch. When used, goes down 1/4 of an inch or lower, and that is the time to change. Mine are still good, so I'm going to put them back. I just push them in place and I put back the cap and screw it back nice and snug. It is good to replace the two motor brushes at the same time, even if just one or the other one is used. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. See you soon.